Hey, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. This is the warning video for all eCash XEC coin holders, guys. Now, guys, in the latest situation, the Chinese is going complicated in the market, and no one can understand that what should we do in this critical situation. Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to hold? Everybody are confused. So finally, friends, in this video I will show you what is a perfect decision for all of you. But before starting this video, if you are new in my channel and if you don't subscribe my channel, so I request all of you to please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, guys. That is the last 24 hours, last one day price chart of eCash XEC coin, and you can see here, guys, that now in the last one day you found a red. Just look here, the red chart mean that they are going in the dumps, they are going in the lows. But now just in the latest situation, you can see here the latest chart is also green. The latest chart is green. That's mean that in the latest time, in the last 1 hour, 2 hour, the price of XEC eCash start pump. So that is why, guys, you know what, on this time a lot of people decide to sell eCash. But no, guys, that is not a permanently false. That is temporary false now for 1 week, for 2 hours, for 2 days. After that, you can see now after this fast they again start jumping, and I hope, guys, that now higher possibilities that eCash will continue this jump for a long time, guys. My prediction is that. So now the better decision for all of you is that please hold, don't decide to sell. Hold, don't decide to sell, guys. Anyways, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about eCash XEC coin? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more news and updates videos.